In this video, I'm going to show you where you can get ready-made houseplant assets for Unreal Engine completely for free. All you need to do is download and install a small 16 megabyte app called AfterBox, and then go to the Plant Box section. Here, you'll find different categories of plant assets made for Unreal Engine 5. Just click on the Houseplants category and it'll show you all the available objects. To import any downloaded asset into your project, simply click on the Auto Export button. It will ask you to select your project, and right after that, the asset will be imported automatically. Then just find it in your content folder and drag it into the viewport. It's really that simple to start using these assets. All of the objects are fully set up for Unreal Engine, you just download them and they're ready to go. One more thing, installing this lightweight and free software gives you access not only to plant assets but also to a huge library of ready-made materials for Unreal Engine, all easy to download and use. So I definitely recommend installing AfterBox right now and sharing it with your friends so they can benefit from it too. To download the AfterBox software, just visit after-box.com. I've also left the link in the description for you. Right now, all the plant-related assets in this library are completely free, and you can easily use them in your Unreal Engine projects. Hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video.